Look at those beautiful babies. Don't you make some beautiful babies? See, we have gray and white. We have brown and white. We have a dark brown tabby. Not sure if that one's going to be gray or brown. Already fighting over the milk bar. We have our little calico. Everybody wants the good nozzles, Mama. Everybody wants the good nozzles. Yes, they do. Hello, little muffins. Hello. Look at these cuties. I guess we're gonna stick with 5, huh? I guess we're gonna stick with 5. This is where she chose to give birth. This door over here closes. I just open it to look in on him. And this door over here stays open. So I put a rolled up blanket there just in case the kittens go wandering, and then I also put some stuff down here just in case they fall out. Huh? Are you gonna go eat? Are you gonna go eat, Mama? Alright.